Hey, you there, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making corn pudding, which is also known as Ekusu in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, where I come from. So today we're going to be using the corn that I have available. This is very different from the corn in Nigeria. So this corn is pretty soft and pretty sweet. So what we're doing is peeling off the corn. Then once we're done peeling off the corn, we're going to take the corn off the curb. So we're going to be using a knife. And that's because the corn is extra soft, guys, like really soft. So there's no way we can use our hands to peel it off like we would normally do in Nigeria. So what we're doing now is using a knife to basically cut the corn off the curb. So just like this. So once we're done like cutting the corn off the curb, we're going to put it in a bowl. Then we're going to blend without water. So if you wanted, another thing you could do, just because of the way the texture of the corn is here in Canada, is to add some corn flour or cornmeal to it. Unsweetened one, you can add that to it because you don't want anything sweet again, since the corn is extra sweet. But if you don't have that, you can just go ahead and do what I'm doing right now. But just keep in mind that the corn is not, the Ekusu is not going to be as hard as the one in Nigeria, okay? So yes, so this is the corn now off the curb. Then we're going to go ahead and blend without water, okay, guys, without water. So yes, and you can see the corn. You can see it's going to blend really perfectly without water, just like this. You see that, guys? And after we're done blending, we're going to add some onion and pepper, blend that too, and put into the Ekusu. Then we're going to add some ingredients like crayfish, nut cubes, and salt. And this is the crayfish we're adding. Then we're going to add some salt. And then we're going to add some nut cubes. So the nut cubes here too are pretty soft. So we're going to use a spoon to basically match it in really well. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to be throwing lumps of like nut cubes in the Ekusu when it's ready, or having it, you know, too much in one area. So we're going to mix it now. Then after mixing, we're going to add our palm oil, because we use palm oil for Ekusu instead of the normal canola or vegetable oil. So we're adding the palm oil now. Once we're done adding the palm oil, we're going to mix it all together. So once we're done mixing it all together, we're going to get our pans ready. If you had the leaf, you could use leaf. We're going to add some smoked prawns too. So this is our pan ready. We're going to put the Ekusu into the pan. So the pans we're using is like those small Moi Moi containers. So we're going to use this pan to make our Ekusu and put in the oven. So if you wanted, what you could do also, and I recommend this, is to add little holes to your Moi Moi containers, just so that the excess water, the extra water from the Ekusu can drain out. So once we're done adding the Ekusu, we're going to add the smoked prawns just like I'm doing now. Then we're going to add some more Ekusu on the top. Then after that, we're going to put some water into the main pan in there. So first we're adding the Ekusu on. So this is the Ekusu and the smoked prawns in the Moi Moi containers. Then we're going to add water, just like I was telling you guys. And this is just so it can cook properly, steam properly. Then we're going to use a foil paper to cover it after adding the water. So once we're done using the foil paper, we're going to put it in the oven to cook for about 40-50 minutes to an hour in the oven, just like that. And once it's ready, we're going to open it up and try it. See, guys, looking so yummy. Very hot. So when the Ekusu is hot, guys, it's usually extra soft. And because of the texture of our Ekusu, our corn here in Canada, it's going to be even extra soft. So if you want, you can let it cool down a bit before you try it. So I'm going to try my Ekusu now, and this is it. Looking so yummy, and it's hot, and I loved it, and I just want to keep eating and eating more. My tasting, in the process of tasting, I ate more than how many containers of the Ekusu. So it was really yummy. I was craving Ekusu and wanted to make it by all means, even without having the right corn. So I used the corn I had. I got my sister to try it, and she loved it, and we just kept eating and eating and eating. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.